I just don't get it. I'm not going to be bothered with it. It's just how it is, and we'll move along and continue forward and continue to shoot a video. Start up on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. You have front, back, and last set. Doesn't matter which setting you're in, the calibration startup is always the same. So if you always want to start up in the back, yeah, it's always going to look forward first and then move back. That's like an extra step. In Sofware, you could calibrate it to start up in the back, do its swing and calibration. Will DJI do that for all? Or did they think of doing that at all? The Pocket 3 has limitations, restrictions. It's a gimbal and a camera in one. And it's not just a gimbal by itself that you put a camera on. And those gimbals got more control, more turnaround, and more things on it than the Pocket 3. And maybe down the road, if they make a Pocket 4, of course the Pocket 4 will be available next time round. But right now, with this being so sold out every single day, the Pocket 3 is going to have a good run for another year before Pocket 4 ever comes to market. I don't think that's going to be true at all. I think you're going to see a Pocket 4 soon. But I didn't say the time that it's coming out. But we all know when you got a good camera, that's the camera you're going to stick with. I was told, promised an update this month. I'm waiting for it. When I check my Mimo app and check the community for it, I'm going to be looking and seeing what that update is all about before I make a decision today furthering updating cameras, for the reasons of you don't know what you're getting into. I haven't picked up my DJI Osmo Action 4 in a while, and I should have picked that up today than the Pocket 3 and done a walk with it. I said I was going to pick it up, and I grabbed the Pocket 3 instead. Now, did I say that right? I was going to grab the Osmo 4, but I picked the Pocket 3, but I grabbed the Pocket 3 anyway, and here we are. And I have to reset the DJI Mic 2 to the OA4 and back to the Pocket 3 now every time. So maybe down the road, we'll see an update or any information about that. Suggestions given to DJI are heard. Are they listened to? Are they written down? Do they make a decision if it goes into the next firmware, if they can make it possible on any company that is? A company that listens to you, that dedicates your suggestion and puts it through. Do you get any commission, any thanks, any gratitude out of it? You can hear the siren, the fire engine starting up. If you really listen carefully, you hear the airplane and you hear the car that just passed. There are many videos out there. There are excellent talks, there's excellent videos, and there are videos that are just videos. I hope I shared a lot of information to you because I do a good job doing what I do. Well, I am just about out of here, taking a nice slow walk. Don't need to go speed walking and get my point across super fast like others do. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the DJI Osmo Action 4, the DJI Mic 2, I own them. I purchased them with my own personal money. And yeah, if I had a gift card, that's still my own personal money. And I did what I had to do. I got it with what I had to get. And I'm getting on out of here with what I got. I give the people all the credit that I handed the camera. And they share it to you. And they're trying to keep positive, and they can only say what they can say, and they show the good, and the good. But they never talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly. And that's what you need to do in order to go forward. Hey, Pocket 3, oh man, it's an awesome 1-inch sensor camera. The bad, you don't play with the Pro, you're not gonna get a good shot. The ugly, oh man, it's overexposed. The good thing about being the good, nothing you want to do about it. You leave it alone. Perfectly working. The bad, yeah, you can work around it. There may be a fix. But the ugly, they're not going to fix it. They think it's perfect. They do got a good camera. They do got a great camera. But those are the good, the bad, and the ugly, as an example. Are you watching? Are you waiting for yours? I'm not sure you are. It moved real fast. I know people don't love stepping out of their comfort zone, and that's the big problem. You got to step out. It's not going to ruin you. And when you do and you see, then you're going to share and say. But yeah, that's what it is. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. I got some notes I gotta go tend to. And one of them looks like, yeah, gotta be a toy. And yeah, what am I gonna do? I gotta take care of business. I gotta get things done. But, you know, there's a little bit more in life than trying to push things out super fast. Oh, check this out. They're taking their time. They got it all staked out. They got everything used. They even used the gate. They're gonna lay it down, cement it up. Maybe one day, the garden will get taken care of and made look presentable. But I bet it's gonna be left as is. Well, I said a lot, did a lot, shared a lot, and I talked a lot. I haven't yet gone into my Pocket 3 to set things up properly. But I just use it as is, the way I want, and I do my videos. I'll catch you on many other videos to come, and I see you on many other videos. Have a great day. Catch you later.